In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve an image in Canva. Whether you're looking to add a unique touch to a graphic design or preparing a mockup, this simple technique can make your images stand out. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Canva's website. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Log In button, which is usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on Continue if prompted, and then select your account by choosing the one you've previously registered with Canva. If everything goes smoothly, you will be inside your Canva dashboard in no time. Once logged in, locate the project you'd like to work on. Simply click to open it. Now we're ready to start adding some curves. Click on the Elements tab located on the left-hand side toolbar. In the search bar that appears, type Curved Frame. This is our first method and involves using pre-made frames to achieve the curved effect. When the search results appear, choose the curved frame that you feel fits best with your design concept. You can click on the frame to add it to your design workspace. For the second method, if you're preparing images specifically for mockups, the steps are a bit different. In the Elements menu, perform a search for mockup frames. You'll find various options, but for this demonstration, we'll use a bottle mockup. Select the mockup you like by simply clicking on it. With the frame added to your project, next you'll want to insert your image into it. To do this, drag and drop your image directly into the frame. Canva makes it easy to adjust the image by providing intuitive resizing and repositioning tools. Take a moment here to fit your image snugly within the bounds of the frame for that perfect curved appearance. Remember, adjustments might be needed to match the vision you have in mind, so don't hesitate to use the provided tools to tweak your design until it's just right. Now let's focus on ensuring your design remains cohesive. If you've added your curved image onto a bottle within your mockup, consider adding the same image onto the label of the bottle. Adjust as needed to ensure everything aligns well and matches the presentation you're aiming for. Once satisfied with how everything looks, finalize your edits by clicking on the Apply Changes button. With that, you're all set. You've successfully learned how to curve an image using Canva, and your design is ready to impress. Remember, creating unique and engaging designs is all about experimenting and discovering what works best for your creative needs. Thank you for joining us in today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips and tricks.